To insert or put an arrow in Google Doc, go up to Insert, Drawing, a new drawing. After opening the drawing canvas, go to Shapes, then Arrows, and select one. Now put an arrow by drawing it. You can now customize it, add fill color. I'm going with blue. Change the line color, and you can add thickness. I'm going for 8 pixels. Now drag it to adjust the size, 7 close. And here it is the arrow in your Google Doc. If you need to edit it, just double click on it. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please consider to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.